Costway portable air conditioners collect moisture from the air during operation. This water must be drained regularly to maintain efficient performance and prevent damage to the unit. Step 1. Safety first. Always turn off the air conditioner and unplug it from the power outlet before beginning any drainage procedure. Step 2. Locate the drain plug. This is typically found at the bottom or back of the unit. Look for a small removable plug or cap. Step 3. Place a shallow pan or container directly underneath the drain plug to catch all the water that will flow out. Step 4. Carefully remove the drain plug and allow the water to drain completely. You may need to tilt the unit slightly to ensure all water is removed. Step 5. Once all water has drained, securely replace the drain plug to prevent leaks. Clean up any spills and ensure the area is completely dry before restarting the unit. Important tip: watch for the water full indicator light on your unit. This warning prevents overflow and automatic shutdown. Regular monitoring helps maintain optimal performance. Continuous drainage is ideal for dehumidifying mode and high humidity conditions, allowing your air conditioner to operate without interruption. First, always turn off and unplug your air conditioner before beginning any drainage setup. This ensures your safety and prevents damage to the unit. Next, locate the continuous drain outlet on your unit. This is typically found on the lower back section of the air conditioner. Remove the plug from the drain outlet and securely connect your drain hose. Make sure the connection is tight to prevent any leaks during operation. Position the other end of the hose into a bucket or direct it to a drain. Ensure the hose has no kinks or obstructions that could block water flow. Once the hose is properly connected, your air conditioner will automatically drain condensate water continuously. This eliminates the need for manual emptying during operation. Remember to clean your air filter every 2 weeks for optimal performance. Regular maintenance ensures efficient operation and extends the life of your unit.